Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming system access and tools so extraction won't stall. This matters because permission errors stop installs. Next, install or confirm an archive manager like Unzip or 7-Zip. Once done, check the archive checksum or size to ensure the file is complete. You'll then choose a destination folder with enough space, because apps expand during extraction. Make sure that folder uses a clear naming convention so subsequent steps reference a stable path. You extract the archive using a command or GUI so the app structure becomes visible. This is essential because hidden files and permissions matter. Once extracted, inspect the directory for executables, install scripts, and config files to know the run sequence. Then set executable permissions on scripts with chmod plus X where required, because without that the system won't run them. Finally, read any README or install notes to capture app-specific prerequisites. You now run the installer or executable and follow prompts. Do this because interactive steps often set configurations. Once installed, perform a quick smoke test and watch logs in the logs folder or console output to confirm core functions. If something fails, first recheck error messages and permissions, then reinstall missing dependencies. These steps usually resolve most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app won't start, run it from the terminal to capture real-time errors for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.